Women often find a prominent, angular, and symmetrical jawline, clear skin, symmetrical facial features, and high cheekbones attractive in men, as these features are associated with masculinity, health, and good genetics. However, the ideal look can be a blend of both masculine and softer features, with overall facial harmony and symmetry being crucial for a generally attractive face. Key facial features: jawline and chin. A well-defined, angular, and proportionate jawline and chin are considered masculine and desirable. A prominent chin is often seen as attractive. Cheekbones. High, prominent cheekbones contribute to a masculine and attractive look, according to some sources and others. Symmetry. Facial symmetry is consistently viewed as a sign of good genetic quality and health, which increases attractiveness. Clear skin. Healthy, smooth skin free from acne, dryness, or sun damage reflects vitality and youthfulness. Face shape. An oval face shape is often perceived as average and symmetrical, which can be processed more easily by the mind, leading to a perception of attractiveness. Eye area. The underlying skull structure, including the brow ridge and cheekbones, influences eye attractiveness. Horizontally wide and vertically narrow eyes are often considered attractive, along with factors like a slight positive tilt to the eyes. Important considerations: harmony. Beyond individual features, the overall harmony and proportionality of all facial features play a vital role in overall facial beauty. Masculinity versus softness. While masculine features are often preferred, an attractive male face may be a combination of masculine and softer features, rather than an extreme of either. Grooming. Features like eyebrows and hair can be groomed to enhance overall facial shape and balance. Individual variation. Preferences for specific